Hi, welcome to Namis Academy. This time we'll be dealing with total surface area of a cylinder. Roman figure 1 with one end closed, Roman figure 2 with two ends closed. So let's see what we have to learn today. Recall that the curved surface area of a cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH is 2 pi RH. Now, when one end of the cylinder is closed, we tend to calculate the total surface area including the closed area. So it becomes total surface area. Now, when one end is closed, remember that the end is circle. So it becomes that we need to calculate the total surface area. So the total surface area of cylinder when one end is closed becomes pi r squared plus 2 pi RH. This has been added to it because one end is now closed. What happens when two ends are closed? It's just as simple as saying that the total surface area of cylinder when two ends are closed, this becomes 2 of it, 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi RH. So I hope you will be able to understand these formulas. Curved surface area of cylinder when no end is closed, two ends are open. Total surface area when one end is opened and the other is closed. Total surface area of a cylinder when two ends are closed. Let's see some examples to calculate total surface area of a cylinder when one end is closed and when two ends is closed. Now take a look at this example. Example number 1. A cylinder has one end closed, radius 3 meter and height 6 meter. Calculate its total surface area. This is a WAEC past question 2017. So let's see how simple WAEC questions could be. Solution. So give that R is 3 meter, height 6 meter, and that is all we were given. Remember that pi is 3.14. So since the question has made it clear to us that one end is closed, then we say the total surface area of such cylinder which one end is closed is equal to pi r squared plus 2 pi RH. So let us begin to put in the value of our parameters. So this is equal to 3.14 multiplied by the radius is 3 squared plus 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by the radius is 3 and the height is 6. So this is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 9 plus 2.314 multiplied by 18. So 3 times 4 is 36, 3 times 1 is 3. So 9 times 4 is 36, 6 keep 3. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 3, that's 12. Right, 2 keep 1. 9 times 3 is 27. So 27 plus 1, that is 28. Plus 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 2.6 multiplied by 18. So this is equals to 28.26 plus 62 plus 6.28 multiplied by 18. So 6.28 multiplied by 18 is 113.042 decimal place. So when we add it up, we should have 6 plus 4, 10, 3 point. This is 11. We write 1 and keep 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 141.30 meter squared. And that is our answer for that question. Let's take question number 2. The total surface area of a cylinder with one end closed. Remember, this is for number 1. So let's take for number 2. The total surface area of a cylinder with one end closed is 150 pi centimeter squared. If its radius is 5 centimeter, find the height. We are still going to use the same formula, whereas the given parameters are given that r is equal to 5 centimeter, h we don't know, and we already know our pi to be 3.14, and the TSA, total surface area of the cylinder, has been given to be 150 pi. So we take total surface area of the cylinder, 150 pi, equal to pi 3 point. Okay, since we have pi, there is no need for us to express pi. Let's say pi multiplied by r squared, that is 5 squared, and that is 25, plus 2 pi, r is 5, multiplied by h. So with this I have 150 pi equal to 25 pi plus 2 times 5 will be 10, 10 pi multiplied by h. So from here, one hundred and 50 pi minus 25 pi equals to 10 pi multiplied by height. So this should be 125 pi equals to 10 pi multiplied by height. So we divide both sides by 10 pi. Divide both sides by 10 pi. So when we divide both sides by 10 pi, 125 pi divided by 10 pi is equals to 10 pi multiplied by h all over 10 pi. So this cancels this, pi cancel pi, so this becomes 12.5. So we say our height, the height is 12.5 centimeter, and that's the answer to that question. So let's take the third one, the third example. So the third example, find the total surface area of a cylinder with two ends closed. Now this time we have two ends closed. Remember that the total surface area of such cylinder that the two ends are closed is equals to 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So let's put in the given parameters. So given that we know our pi equals to 3.14, our r is 6 centimeter, and the height is 12 centimeter. So we say the total surface area so we say the total So say the total surface area say the total surface area of the cylinder is equals to 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by the radius squared is 36 plus 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by r, the radius 6 and the height 12 centimeter. So here we have 6.28 multiplied by 36 plus 6.28 multiplied by 72. So this is equals to this is 226.08 plus 452.16. So when we add the two together, 226.08 plus 452.16. 226.08 plus 452.16 is equal to 678.24 centimeter squared. So that is that. Let's take example number 4. It's a JAMB question 2017. The total surface area of a cylinder. The total surface area of a cylinder with two ends closed is 250 pi centimeter squared. If its radius is 5 centimeter, find its height. So in this case, we're going to use this total surface area of a cylinder of closed ends. So where we know that this is equal to 250 pi, the radius is 5 centimeter, and we have to calculate the height as the question is asking. If its radius is 5 centimeter, find its height. So we'll put in the values of our parameters. 250 pi is equal to 2 pi, the radius is 5, that is 25 centimeter, 5 squared, plus 2 pi, the r is 5 centimeter, multiplied by the height we are looking for. So this remains as 250 pi equals to 50 pi plus 10 pi multiplied by height. So when we take like terms, this will be 250 pi minus 50 pi becomes 200 pi equals to 10 pi multiplied by height. So we divide both sides by 10 pi. 10 pi. 10 cancel 10 pi. Pi cancel pi. 0 cancel 0. We are left with 20. Therefore, the height is equal to 20 centimeter. And that is our final answer. I believe you understood what we did today. If you need to pause the video, watch again, learn, drop your message on the comment section below. Do that and we'll attend to you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.